All right, today we're going to talk about how to plan your routes out based on your deals, and right, and then, so this is instead of your accounts, instead of your contacts, perhaps you're working a funnel, right? And the funnel itself lives inside of my customers as well, both on mobile as well as on web. And you could have one funnel for a certain product line. You could have a product, a funnel just per rep. It could be up to you. But you basically, it's kind of your normal funnel, right? You set up different stages with probabilities on each stage, and you're able to kind of work deals from left to right across the board until they get to closed won. And so again, this is maybe a better view of it. This is your traditional deal board, and you can drag cards from left to right and so forth, right? So if you're using this functionality, not everybody is, because sometimes account management's a little easier if it's tracked just a little bit differently, not using deals. But if you are using deals, and a lot of teams are, you can build routes from those deals, right? So it might be more helpful to think about how do I plan my week or my month based on my opportunities and where I physically need to be, because of those opportunities, rather than these are the accounts that I have and I want to see and so forth, right? So if you're inclined to think of it that way, and there's no right or wrong way to do it, I want to show you real quickly how you can build those routes. So if you're on the map view, just toggle off the contacts and the companies, right? The people and the companies up here. That will populate your map just with the deals. And what you want to do is just click lasso, right? So I can actually click to build a lasso around this section. So this is let's call it a New York City route for the deals, right? So on the top left here, I can actually do a number of things, but one of those things is add or remove from a route. I'll click that. And the deals themselves inherently do not have an address, right? They do not have a location because they always have to have at least a company or a person attached to them. So we're basing the location off of one of those. So you have to determine, am I basing this location based off of a person or a company? Most of the time, it will likely be a company. So click company and then click add to route. And then you can either make a new route, or you can use an existing route here. So we're going to choose an existing route. Let's say Brooklyn route, and then hit apply. And then boom, all those companies have instantly been added to that route. And that's all I need to do. I could go over to the routing page and see that route. I can pull up my mobile phone and see that route. And here you have a quick and easy way to think about how to plan your week and plan your travel ahead of time based around where are my opportunities and where do I need to be to close these opportunities.